Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is Come to Jesus Now. Awesome song is by Dorothy Norwood. And guys, we're in the key of C. And this song was requested by Derek. Thank you so much, Derek. And to my Numerical Melodies family, if there's a tune you want to hear, drop it in the comments and I will bring it to life. All right, guys, we're in the key of C. Let's get it. That's C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. Of course, this is Numerical Melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. All right, guys, let's do like we always do. Let's go ahead and crack our hands. Let's stretch them out. Let's wiggle them. Let's get the nerves out. All right, guys, let's receive this awesome, awesome song, Come to Jesus Now.
Come to Jesus. If you're out there right now, would like to get a better fellowship, would like to get closer. Come to Jesus right. There's something in your family that's going on and you want to break through. You want God to come in and straighten out the situation. Your marriage on the rocks. Your mind is messed up.
He's able to do everything that you will have him to do.
Don't wait another minute. Don't wait another second.
No, no,
Get up
no.
and come on. Come on to Jesus. Come on, come on, come on. He'll lift your burden. He'll dry those tears from your eyes. Yes, he will.
This song is brought to you by FlowQ. Create a task, set a timer, and get it done. FlowQ. Available on the App Store.
To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So this song starts off with Come to Jesus right now. Beautiful. Let me give you that. So we're on our 1. We're playing this G major chord. We stay on the 1. We're playing our C major chord. Then we're going to our 3. We're playing this G major chord. We're doing the same thing. We're going back to that C major chord. Right now, we're playing this big, beautiful chord. It's like an A minor 7 chord with the added 4. Grab it. Then they do this. Let me give you that. We're on our 6. We're playing this F sus2 chord. Going to our 7. We're playing our G sus2 chord. Then we just repeat it. I kind of like to do that nice little effect. Instead of just playing the chord, I like to roll it down. You see that? Kind of like a guitar. And then they do this nice little thing. So what is that? I'm doing like a and a B, and then I'm playing my chord. That's that F sus2 chord on the 6. Then we're going to our 7, and we're playing this G sus2 chord. Then they build it up to go to the next part. He will save your soul. May let me give you that beautiful transition. So we're on our 5-1-4 progression. So right here we're playing our B flat 6 chord, and we're playing it on a 5. Our 1, we're going to our C dominant 7 chord, and then we're resolving on the 4 with our F major chord. Then they go, I'm just going to the G major chord on the 5. Nice little passing chord here. Grab that chord. We're on our 4. We're playing a D, E flat, G, and this B. Make you whole. So we're on our 3, and we're playing this E dominant 7 chord. Stand on that same chord, but we're just changing our bass to the 6 flat. Going to our 6, and right there on the 6 we're playing our C6 chord. We did that same 5-1-4 progression. Just a repeat, guys. Alright, what am I doing right there? So I'm walking up from the 3. I'm playing my E dominant 7 chord on the 3. Walk up to my 5 flat. I'm playing this chord, grab it. Going to my 6 flat, still on that E dominant 7 chord. Then I'm going to my C6 chord right there on the 6. So come to Jesus right now. All right, what is that? So I'm on my 6. I'm playing this nice gospel chord. You got to grab it, guys. This is a straight gospel chord. We're playing our G diminished 7 chord on the 6, and then we're going to our 2. We're playing this F6 chord on the 2. Going to our 5 F major chord. Resolve on the G dominant 7 chord right now. And now we're playing our C major chord right there on the 1. So guys, if that's all I gave you, that's the song. So it's a couple things at the end I would love to give you. They do this nice turnaround. Come to Jesus right now. Here it is right here. Come to Jesus right now. Now what am I doing? I'm playing a C major chord on the 1. Going right here to my 7 G major chord. Then we're going to the 6 and we're playing this C major added 2. Go down to our 3. We're playing this chord right here. Beautiful chord. Grab it. Then we're going to our F major 6 chord on the 2, F major chord on the 5, G dominant 7 chord on the 5, then we end on our C major chord on the 1. Guys, I hope this song was a blessing to you. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is when a butterfly followed me. Last week at work, I had an experience that stayed on my mind long after my shift ended. While working in the warehouse, I noticed a beautiful black butterfly resting on a pole. I had never really seen one like it before. For a moment, I even thought about holding out my hand and seeing if the butterfly would fly on my finger. It seemed calm, almost out of place among the forklifts and pallets and busy warehouse activity. As I was leaving, I glanced over and noticed the butterfly again. To my surprise, it seemed to be following me, so I drove off. Now I know how this sounds. Just a few minutes earlier, I wanted the butterfly to come closer. Yet the moment it appeared to be following me, I became uncomfortable. What had seemed fascinating from a distance suddenly felt unsettling up close. I drove away, wanting to put some distance between me and my unexpected companion. Later, I told a coworker about what had happened. Without hesitation, he said, "You know, my granny always told me that if you see a black butterfly, it means a snake is nearby." I just stared at him for a second. The butterfly had been following me. Was he trying to say that I was the snake? Thankfully, I kept my thoughts to myself. Wanting a second opinion, I called my mother later that day. Her response was very different. She told me that black butterflies are often associated with transformation, personal growth, and major life changes. That conversation gave me something to think about. Whether there was any meaning behind the butterfly or not, I couldn't ignore the lesson hidden in my own reaction. I was drawn to it when it was at a distance, but I became fearful when it got closer. Isn't that how we often respond to change? We ask for growth, new opportunities, but when those things begin to show up, they often arrive in unfamiliar forms. Looking back, I don't remember the butterfly because it had frightened me. I remembered it because it challenged me. It reminded me that sometimes the very thing we're running from may be connected to the growth we've been asking for all along. Life lesson. Don't allow fear to make you run from opportunities you've been praying for. Growth often feels uncomfortable before it becomes rewarding. The moment you stop running from what scares you is the moment your life begins to transform. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, thank you so much for coming in and working with me on today. And I didn't forget about you, Derek. Thank you so much for that awesome request. Please request more. Guys, this is the time of the video that I tell you that we are on the road to, yep, I heard you say it, 1 million. Let's give it up for the 1 million.
And if Numerical Melodies got you smiling like it's your little secret, don't be stingy. Spread the joy. Tell somebody about us.
We have a bell. I would love it if you can hit that bell because a video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. Guys, I know you're not going to hit that button. You know what? In fact, I bet you won't hit that button. I double dog dare you. Let's try it in 3, 2, 1. Bam! I see you just hit it. And you just hit that bell. I guess you won the bet. You know what, guys? You're not just playing the music. You are the music. This is AK signing off.